Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can wear multiple clothes on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, all you gotta do is go ahead, open up your Roblox app, and from over here you're simply gonna go ahead and get signed in and tap on this avatar icon in the middle. Once I've tapped on it, this is how the interface is gonna look like, right? And now you're gonna simply scroll and switch to clothing. We are here in the clothing section. Now we're gonna simply add in the clothings. Now you can see it will simply require for you to provide this many Robux. Make sure you have it, or if not, then you have to collect it. Then go ahead, add in the multiple clothes. Likewise, you can choose clothes, and you can see it's simply overlaying. You're gonna go ahead and choose, and you're gonna go ahead add in the clothes accordingly. You can add t-shirts, sweaters, likewise according to your need, and you can see it has been added overlay. And once I chose that particular, you're gonna go ahead switch to jacket, and you're gonna add another layer of jacket on top of it, and you're gonna go to pants, and you can switch like that, and you can add more clothes like that over there according to your requirement. You just have to make sure to choose there's two options where you can have two different clothing items to add into. And there's another option as well, which is BTR, where you will also be able to add extension to your browser, and you can add more items from there as well. So you can do that as well, but it will be easier for you to access from clothings, and you can choose the kind of style that you prefer. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.